I think most of the questions that are remaining are scholarship related. And Shubha, we have a small presentation from the manager of scholarship teams, Shubha, and she will take you through a few slides on how to go about the renewal process. So over to you, Shubha.
Hi, Prarthna. Thank you. Welcome students and most importantly the facilitators. I'm happy to see so many facilitators participating in this program, and especially Tamil Nadu facilitators. You all are true mentors to all the students. Thank you very much for that. I would like to give a small presentation to the scholars today to talk about the renewal process. Because of the COVID year, they are facing some challenges, and I would like to clear all their doubts. Let me share the presentation. Okay. So we have told you that 31st October 2020 is the last date for creating your renewal application. Please note that you need to create your renewal application, and even if you do not upload your documents, it is all right. But if you cannot create your application before 31st October, you will not be able to create it after that. So please create your applications even with 0 documents. It is all right. Post that, you can upload your documents anytime. And another important thing to note is we are not looking for attestation this year. Please do not approach your facilitators for attestation. We need you to speak to your facilitator over the phone, convey to him or her about your academic progress or your other things which you're doing in your time, about your training programs, about how you're spending your time, how you're able to attend your classes, all this information, because they will give you guidance. But do not please do not go and attempt to meet them or approach them for attestation. Some information here. 897 students are there in Tamil Nadu this time for renewal, out of which most of them have applied. I'm happy to see that, but 199 students are yet to apply. 178 BE Tech students, engineering students, and 21 medical students have not yet applied. Just for your information, I have put across here, from MIT, 70 students have not yet applied. GCT and 34 students, NIT Tiruchirappalli 29, Anna University 28, and Stanley Medical College 20 of you have not yet applied. Please create your application. Once again, I'm telling you, before 31st October, otherwise you will miss your renewal scholarship. Okay. Going on to some of the questions and documentation. I understand that your event semester exams were not conducted because of the pandemic, and you may not have your event semester grade cards with you, and some of you have not paid your fees also for the next year. No worries. You please create your application and upload your college ID card instead of your bona fide certificate. We understand that bona fide certificate is issued by the college. You are not in college, you are in your hometown, from home, attending classes from home. So you need to just upload your college ID card instead of the bona fide certificate. And please upload your bank passbook copy. I assume that is there with you. Statement of expenses, if your college is able to issue 2020-21 statement of expenses, well and good, upload it. If it is not present, please upload the previous year statement of expenses. Oath and pledge document and parent declaration, please note we have made some changes. You need to download the new version, sign, take your parent signature, and then upload that. Okay. Letter of thanks to the donor is only a guideline is provided in the application. It is up to you to write a clear letter of thanks to the donor. If you know your donor, address him. If you do not know your donor, you can always say to an FFE to the FFE donor. And note that this is a Word document, not a PDF document. It's a Word document. The application will only accept .doc or .docx. Okay. Coming to the odd semester and even semester grade card, I will also show you some of the sample grade cards. We understand that you are downloading it from the college portal. Ensure that your name, your roll number, the date of the semester, dates of the semester, for example, if it is even semester December to June is mentioned clearly. Take a snapshot of that with all the subjects and the credits and all the marks, grades which are mentioned, and upload that. Some of the colleges are providing grade cards through email. Those are also acceptable. Those are very, very clear. I will show you a sample now. Please upload those. Those are also perfectly fine. Now, college fees paid receipt. I'm assuming that the college has started for most of you, and colleges have asked you to pay some kind of fees. Please pay that. Please upload that receipt, whatever you have paid in terms of online receipts, or if there is a transaction happened through your bank and it is clearly mentioned there that the amount is deducted in order to pay fees to the college, that receipt is also fine. So we need proof of whatever you have paid. Please upload that. We understand you have not gone back to your hostel, so hostel and mess receipts are missing. No problem. Only college fees receipts, whatever you have paid, please upload that. I hope I'm clear, and I hope I've answered most of the questions. This is how your renewal application looks like. When you log in into your renewal application, you click on the ticker. It shows you year in which studying. I'm very specifically telling for first year MBBS students. Most of you have not completed your first year of MBBS because your exams are not over. MCI has issued a guideline that unless you go back to college, your exams will not be conducted. No worries. You please choose year 2 SEM 3 because the scholarship for year 1 is already done and over. So you have to choose the next year, choose year 2 SEM 3. Grading system, please choose class or CGPA. Percentage, if you do not know, it is a optional box. Right now you can leave it empty. Once you receive your grades, you can upload the grade, you can upload the value there. Rest of the details, please fill in whatever you know. If you don't have the second semester results, even semester results, it's all right. You fill in as no failure ATKT, and if you have passed the odd semester. Rest of the details, facilitator meeting date, whatever date you have called your facilitator, fill that. And the moment you click on OK on this particular application, the application gets created. Okay. The next thing application asks for is the uploading of the documents. Like I already told in the previous slide, upload all the documents which you can: college ID card, passbook, the parent declaration, pledge. Almost 7 documents you can upload without worrying about college, without worrying about being in college. Only results, that too even semester results, you will have. Medical students second year, third year will have their results. Upload that. First year, no results, it's okay, don't upload right now. We will see when your exam is conducted. Okay. This is specifically for medical students. Like I said, first year students, first year medical students, your exam is not conducted. Do not upload any grade card as of now. It is fine. If you have paid any fees for the next year, please upload. If you have not paid, it is all right. Leave it empty. Let the application be in incomplete status. Once you receive your grade cards, you can upload and inform us. And only then you can submit your application. So do not worry about it not being submitted. It is all right. We can see the documents you have uploaded. What you should not do. Do not use a mobile phone to create your application because some of the drop downs do not work on the mobile phone. As far as possible, please use laptop or computers to create your renewal application. Everything will go on smoothly in that. Do not upload old receipts of previous year. They are not useful to us. Please do not upload. In only exception is for medical students. Those please write to us on scholarships and we will solve your queries on that. Bona fide certificate, most of the students upload last year certificates. Please do not do that. We upload your college ID card if it is available with you. If college ID card is also not available with you, some of you have told us that you have left it in the hostel rooms and you have not gone back to college. It is all right. Once you pay your fees, there will be a receipt which talks about uh, which college you are, which year you are studying in, which semester you are studying in. Even that you can upload in the bona fide certificate place. But do not put any receipts or any certificates of last year. That is not acceptable. Oath and pledge and parent declaration, like I already told you, upload new versions only. Okay. On the grade cards, like I told you, I will just show you a sample. Pratna, I just need 2 more minutes, please. Just
sure.
showing them a sample of
Yeah, Shubha, because most of them are scholarship related questions.
queries, right?
Yes.
Okay. We have received two kinds of mm, marks cards, as you can see on my screen. Can you all see? Pratna, can you see the screen, please?
Yes, yes, we
Yeah.
can.
See,
Yes.
this is your this is one of the sample marks grade card. The student has received by email. Very clearly mentions which college, the name of the student, roll number, the grade, the subjects, the grades. Everything is very clearly mentioned. This is totally acceptable. Please upload this. Some of the students have not been able to get this kind of a grade card results. Some of you have uploaded like this. This is a snapshot taken from the portal. I hope it is clear. Here also you can see the roll number, the branch, the name of the college, the subjects, the grades are very clearly mentioned. Now I want to bring it to your notice. Here the year is also being mentioned at the top. It says December 2019 to April 2020. This is very important for us. So please ensure that this comes on your screen while you take the snapshot. I think I have answered all the questions. Pratna, over to you.
Yes. Shubha, so screenshots is acceptable?
Screenshots are acceptable, but like I said, please make sure your
Of
details are present.